Okay, y'all, so we're starting back up another thing. Let me move this box. I really need to move this box. You know what? I found a box where someone never claimed their winnings, and it's been since the winter giveaway. And if you remember, I did not do a spring giveaway because I was going to do a summer, kind of spring-summer giveaway, and just time got away from me, so I apologize for that. But I will tell you this. I am going to be doing one, and I'm going to put that back in the running. What somebody did not ever claim. Okay, so here's the other. This is Allie Glines. So she's here on YouTube. Love her, young gal. Does really high quality makeup videos. Allie Glines. There's her name right on this satiny pink. It's like a dust bag. It's really nice, but it's a lot bigger than what I thought I was getting. So you're like, well, Beth, what were you getting? Well, I thought it was just going to be like some makeup organizers. This big bag. Oh my gosh. I'm going to put it at the side of my face so you can see how big. We're so happy that you received your bag. Thank you so much for supporting the business. Allie Glines. We're so grateful. It's been an amazing experience creating this product for you. Can't seriously wait to see how you organize your bag. I hope you enjoy your experience with our brand. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out. So she's doing a great job here. So that little card came in the bag. And again, this is a nice bag. You could use that as a dust bag for a handbag. So let's go ahead and open this. This thing's huge though. But I have a lot of makeup. But I mean, oh my goodness. It's really pretty though. I love the blush color. Of course, the zipper and her name in print on it is rose gold, as you can see. And that rose gold always goes really pretty with, oh, and her name is even on the pulls. And they've got these little plastic things to cover it, like as if this was a fancy handbag. Like you could make this a fancy handbag if you want. Oh, it's like a briefcase that's so big. But what's supposed to be inside is some other baby ones. Okay, there. That's what I was actually getting. This just came with the order. So up here you've got a place. I mean, no kidding. You could use this as a really nice travel piece. A flat place here you could put, like, you know, those samples that you get that you want to take on a trip. And also, it's just a good storage piece for these other pieces. Or you could just put these in your suitcase and not use this outer piece. You could use that for organizing at home, if you will. So let me just go ahead and show you this. Now it comes with this, first of all, always make sure the silica, because it's dangerous, you break it over the toilet and let it go down the drain. It does have a cushioning in the bottom that you can pull out. But you know what? I might leave that because you do want cushioning when you have makeup items. And again, it looks like this. Again, this is the size. I'm showing you next to me so you can see how big this really is. How deep it is. And you've got that inner pocket, and you can just zip this, and it's a nice makeup case that you can take with you. Okay, but what I really loved, and that I will use even inside a purse, that's not too big for inside a purse to organize. That's one of the main things I loved about it. So you can put like all your face and skincare items in one, and then maybe a couple of eye palettes, lipstick, your eyeliners, mascara, and another. So you could have skincare in one, like for one stage of your makeup, and actual makeup in the other. So that's what I was thinking about those two. And then what I liked about this piece is you could put your brushes in here and any other things, like, you know, you could put your brushes in with your finishing spray. Or the larger pieces of your skincare or prepping, like your finishing spray, your like primer like this that has the moisturizer in it. That would be great to take on a trip. Or any of the larger pieces that you might have that wouldn't fit. Now these actually, I'll show you, this actually would fit in here just fine. But it's going to take up more room. It'd be better to throw these kind of items in the larger one. And maybe what you do, if you don't feel like you need all that on a trip, You just take two, like toiletries in one and makeup in another. And in your toiletries, do some of your skincare that's the skin prep type of things, or skin finishing. So again, would be your moisturizer and your finishing spray, and that's really all you need on a trip. And then I could literally just take these other items that I just got from Laura Geller. I've got bronzer, highlighter, blush, and and foundation, and could literally easily fit that in here. Just, put them in here. And then on top of that, a makeup palette or two, if you want to just, like, I could put one or both of these two easily. There'd be so much leftover space here. And then, mascaras, your brow liner, your eyeliner, if you want to have a liquid wingtip or a crayon liner, and your lipstick. All that would fit. Look, so easy. Mine would fit. And I'd probably take a couple of colors. Like I'd take my rose and my hot pink, or maybe even three. My strawberry red, and have those three in there. Again, just some liners. So easily will fit in here. So I really loved, of all the things, I loved this one. And I may even keep this one in my purse. And that's all. So that it would have everything related to makeup, related to anything that isn't medicinally oriented, like, Benadryls and Tums and a breather and all that kind of stuff. You could put, I always have that in my Louis Vuitton that I call my Medicase, my Medicase. That's switched from purse to purse. But, whoops, sorry, I dropped it. So I really like this. I love the color. I love her attention to detail. I love that she's so caring about it. I love the fact that they fit easily. If you did want to put all three of these either in the big travel case and just carry it separate, or put this in your luggage, it's not, because the way they stack, it's not taking that much room. It would be like a third of the end, but you would have all your toiletries, all your makeup, all your skincare. And really, if you could, no kidding, you could do the makeup and skincare in one of these, or your toiletries, maybe put the skincare in with your toiletries and all your makeup in this, and your brushes in that, and then use this other one for, like, a jewelry. You could put your jewelry in here, bracelets, earring, put them in the individual little silk pouches. That's what I like to do. Put my earrings, like 2 or 3 pairs of earrings in one of those silk pouches. Put in a couple of bracelets. Use another one of those little silk pouches for rings. If I'm going to take any additional rings, usually I just wear the rings I've got on. But if I want something special, or if I think I might actually change from gold to silver, I might have 2 different pouches and put all the silver in one and all the gold in another, and then add the bracelets. Bracelets are just a little more bulky. Same thing with necklaces. I would put necklaces individually in those little silk pouches. That's the great thing about the fact that companies don't really want to use the little boxes anymore, so they always give you those silk pouches, and that's great for when you're traveling. Or I keep one small size one in my purse that's just got a pair of earrings, and it's a silver and gold hoop. So if I forgot to put earrings on and I've left for the day, I always have a pair of earrings with me that I can throw on. Or if you wanted to, you could keep this in the car. It's very, very pretty. You could keep this in the car, and it could have hand sanitizer, a pair of gloves, and a couple of masks that you could just keep. Actually, I would not keep sanitizer because it is combustible, because the alcohol, with anything that could catch fire, like a mask or even the gloves. I would keep hand sanitizer in your purse, actually, unless you're just taking it for, like, when I would go to the Cancer Treatment Center with Lance. But there, it's very prevalent. They're everywhere anyway, but I still always took my own. But yeah, don't ever leave hand sanitizer in your car, because it's combustible, and when it gets hot in the car, remember, within minutes, like 1 to 2 minutes after you've gotten out of your car, the temperature of the car increases significantly. That's why you would never leave a child or an animal or even another person in the car. You should never leave an unattended car with someone in it, or something live in it, or something that could be explosive in it. That's how car fires happen. People are like, how did it catch fire? It's like, hand sanitizer is flammable, y'all. It can be combustible, and so if you have something that's flammable next to it, like a mask or tissues or the gloves, I always have a little pair of those, surgical gloves, in case, especially at the beginning of COVID, where I didn't want to touch gas station pump handles. I would just do everything, the the pump itself, and then any of the buttons that I had to use for my card with that. And then I would, as I left, I would take it off and throw it in the trash and get in the car. So anyway, you could use this for so many things is my point. You don't even have to use this makeup oriented. If you have little short pins you want to put in there, if you want to put keep a collection of thank you notes, or keep, especially if you're a young bride and you're just doing thank you notes all the time, and keep a couple of those little pins. There's the little short pins. Those are so cute. Do I have one handy I could show you? But they're so cute to have. Just, you know, a pen will easily fit in here with some notes if you want to keep that organized. Y'all comment below, how would you use this? You could use this for sewing. You could use this for stickers and journaling, you know, just your highlighters and pens, or stickers, or, you know, things that you like to glue on or tape on, or washi tape. You could put washi. This could be perfect for rolls of washi tape or strips. And I'm going to be getting into something I'll tell you all about that is new to me that I'm going to do. I just ordered it. When it comes in, I'll tell you about it. It's a little surprise of a new hobby that I'm going to be starting. I just decided to. I saw something really pretty, and I thought, you know what? I need a new hobby. And so I think I'm going to make that be my new hobby. Okay, so we're almost close to the end of this one. But anyway, so this is the end look, and I love it. I love this. I could use this so many ways, and I may not just stick to one way for very long. I may trade it out, and I may use it for, you know, a makeup pouch when I'm traveling, but when I'm not, I may use it to hold washi tape, or because I'm back to using my Erin Condren Day Planner, and I'll show you all that in another video as well. But anyway, so I feel like I really like this, and I really like the way she goes about it. Again, that's Allie Glines. I can link it below if y'all are interested. But tell me, how would y'all use these? Comment below. What am I missing? What would you use this for? In the kitchen, maybe? I don't know. You could